You're watching Camilla Ali TV. Hey guys, so my pop socket fell off. My pop socket, excuse me, it fell off last night, and it was so crazy because it felt like I was so used to having it there that my phone feels weird now without it, and I was like freaking out, like, okay, I can't use this phone without this thing now. So I woke up this morning and I just went to Google and figured out how I can reapply it, because I was like, it's no way that you have to keep buying these things over. So found a video that tells you how to get it to stick again. So that first video I tried, it didn't work. So what they want you to do is use warm water and take the pop socket, and mine's just like lifted up a little bit, but take the pop socket and then run it over some like warm water. I would say kind of not a little bit more than warm, but then you want to like rub like all the dirt and like lint and stuff off of the sticky part to get it nice and clean, and then you want to let it dry. But the one person the first video I looked at said you need to like dry it with the towel. So I did that first and I let it sit, and it didn't work. So the next time I did it, I rinsed it off and I let it sit for probably like an hour. So you could probably let it sit for like less than that, or you can use like a hair dryer to like dry it out. But I just let it sit for like an hour, and we're gonna see if it works this time. Okay, let's try it. All right, so that's where it used to be. I'm just gonna stick it probably like in the same spot. All right, and now I'm just gonna press it down. Guess you should get a nice good press. And I know eventually I'm gonna have to buy another one, but yeah, I don't have that time right now, and I need. So, all right, let's see. I press it down. So it sticks just like it did when I first got it. And